How do I launch a product using PPC to get traction quickly? Product launch is one of those things that are important to not mess up, meaning to have clear goals when it comes down what is the expectations from your product launch, because most people are expecting that just because they launch the product, they immediately have to be profitable. I'm here to tell you that 99% of the cases, it was not the case. I'm aware that lots of content, when it comes down to product launching, what we're seeing on our end is that most brands are really unrealistic when it comes down to product launches, because they're assuming that only the best things are going to happen to their account. And here I just also had a discussion with a brand that we're managing, and they are looking to bring additional products to the market. And I was like, all right, so first up, do we have demand for the product? Because if we don't have demand for the product launch itself, it's not going to work, just because people are not interested in that specific item that you're selling on Amazon. So even that simple fact of not checking that the product is in demand on Amazon is going to not help you having traction quickly, because you're assuming that everyone who is on Amazon is going to look for your product and that you're solving a need. Maybe that you're solving a need, but probably it's not looked for or searched for in demand. So that is the first thing. And once that you figured out that there is demand for it, next is going to be how much traffic are you generating towards and how profitable is that traffic going to become over time. Keep in mind that if you are launching a product, you have no track record unless you already have brand recognition on other platforms. So I would take a look at those factors before even launching a product, because you are asking about to get traction quickly. It's not so much about getting traction quickly. It's if there's no demand for something and if you don't have inventory, even more important, no matter what you want to do quickly, you are not going to be able to get traction. The second thing is going to be important, bidding. Amazon ads are based on a bidding system. The one who bids the highest usually and it's most relevant is going to win the placement. That's also important.